Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Techie Things. Now today the program we stopped at the famous Boston Jerk Center, which is the home of jerk and it's the most famous place for jerk in the world. Now Boston Jerk Center is located in, well not Boston, USA, Portland, Jamaica. Now Kerry and I decided to stop because it's a favorite of mine. We were actually driving throughout the entire island and this is our actual first stop. So I'd like to sample the famous jerk pork. Well, this gentleman here is giving us a tour. Well, actually, our first stop was at the restroom because of the long driving, so he's assisting us. So we're finished now, handing back the key to the gentleman, and we're gonna go and try out the famous jerk. We don't have any diet Pepsi. Oh, all right, cool. Well, the reason I asked for the diet Pepsi is that's the favorite of Kerry, but it's a little challenging getting diet Pepsi or diet Coke in some part of Jamaica because we do our own dieting, so we don't need any diet Pepsi or Coke. Well, the gentleman here is selling cane juice, and he said that he has some that mixed with turmeric, which is a good source to get down inflammation in the joint. So I was trying to let him know that I'm doing my purchasing here, but he's not taking no for an answer, so I will give him a purchase shortly. Adam. Huh?
You want jerk, right?
Pork, man.
Oh, pork?
Yeah.
Do they have pork?
Huh?
Do they have pork?
Yeah. You want to take the chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, walk me down this first. When we're done, walk this with this. Yeah. That's us. Well, this table has the brand of the Red Stripe on it. Well, Red Stripe is Jamaica's favorite beer, or one of Jamaica's favorite beers, but I like to drink the Red Stripe in the flavor of the sorrel because it has moved from just the normal lager beer to beers with flavor. So you have the sorrel, you have also melon, and I think pineapple. So I'm just telling Kerry about the history of Boston Jerk Center. It's branded as the best jerk in Jamaica. Right. Yeah, man. Well, yes, I keep.
Yeah, man, right there.
Okay. I'm not telling you, I are the most famous one.
What do you want to drink? Red stripe, sorry beer, whatever.
This is
Sorry,
plain
beer.
turmeric, ginger,
Water.
lemon and lime.
Thanks.
This one is straight sugar cane.
How much one of them?
1500 for anyone.
So the gentleman came with his sample. The Kerry wants to sample the one with the turmeric, and I want to sample the straight one.
I want to sample the turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yeah.
So, which is some of that, you know?
Oh, I like that one.
Okay.
Because I like the ginger.
Super. Which is the next one? Too?
Alright.
No, one cup, man. No, it's a cup.
Oh,
You like it?
I think I don't. This one is this straight?
Let me taste it.
I'm sorry, I drank it all from him.
That's what it is, man. That's what it is.
Get some more ketchup, yeah? Yep. Want ketchup in there?
No.
No ketchup?
I'll use some of yours.
So I just got some ketchup in mine to sweeten it up. There's also the flavor, the spicy flavor that is on the table right there. So most of the times they'll not put too much spice in it because you have persons who don't like to use a lot of spice, and you can't take the spice out of the food, you can only add it. That's the turmeric, that's the cane juice on the table there, and that's my red stripe sorrel. Kerry's drinking water.
Not to yesterday. We supposed to yesterday.
Oh,
I'm not finished with you.
all right. Oh, good. Hold on, love.
So those are the bread food.
I'm trying to throw this away.
Just finished our jerks.
So we got.
Wanted to take some with me, so I'm gonna just walk to the rest of the stalls. So
So we got.
let
Go
you
talk to the
guys
man
see
first.
what it looks like. Now I'm gonna walk and go to the guy that sells the cane
All right,
juice
so-
because he
You say you have.
told me that I'll give him
I have 2,000.
sometimes so for him
Yeah.
to advertise
Yeah.
what he sells.
That's all I have.
And this is
All right. Huh?
Like how the building top blow down, we have to go have the interview on one side.
No, man, you just tell me what you have, man.
Oh, you
That's all,
just the camera roll
Yeah,
already?
camera, man. That
Oh,
is me do.
say it roll.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Jabuki right here in Boston Bay here. Right here, you get the best cane juice
right?
in the world. You get the best cane juice in the
Deal
world.
with the customer. Yes,
Yes, sweetie, Irie. One love, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yes, I.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am Jabuki. Right here, you get the best cane juice in the world, freshly squeezed.
Right.
With ginger, lemon, lime, and turmeric, and we got it straight already. We got it straight, and we got the mix, yeah?
All right.
I am Jabuki. And the turmeric with ginger, with lemon and lime, I recommend it to everyone
All right,
in the
respect.
world. 18 for the big one, and 15 for the small.
And this is
the
the big?
cup, and the cup is for 500.
All
Yes? And we have 2 size cup. We also have a 7-ounce cup for 300 as well. See?
This would be which one? Small
This is
cup
the small one for 15.
All right, cool, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, wrap it up, baby. Yeah, man, respect, man. All
Yeah,
right.
man, one love.
All right, I'll say all right. We're going to try the place and see
I'm
everybody.
get some more interview again.
Yeah, man. No, we just walk through.
Okay.
Yeah, because first we are coming here, we always hear about it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Respect,
Boston
man.
Day, man.
Yeah, man, I really do.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, sir. Cool.
Right, so I took the first, well, they own an interview with Jabuki. Very, very lovely cane juice that he made there. So I'm walking through and you see the different jerk centers they have, or jerk stands. This one does the jerk stand. The jerk sausage. It goes right around to the back. So it's a place that is frequented by lots of tourists and people from all over Jamaica. Well, I should say all over the world, because it's branded as the best jerk place in the world. Whenever they have the jerk festival, the Boston Jerk Festival, you can't find anywhere to park here. It's very, very full.
Very interesting.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
that's the sausage.
Right, jerk sausage, yes, sir.
Chicken sausage ready, hot and ready. I don't cook the pork, but I'm not against it.
Okay.
I really want to.
Yeah, my first time in that place. I do my buy up already still, you know,
Oh
but
my God.
yeah.
But guess
Oh,
what?
this
Come to Boston and do and get this is like you don't reach Boston.
Well,
You
no.
never tell, look on you true.
I plan to come back again. Yeah, right,
I'm
now.
going to put you up in the man try best in you.
I best.
Out all the way back.
Alright, sir. But anyway, we forward the next
Yeah,
time.
man, I'm more energy, man.
Alright, sir. Respect, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Alright. Alright.
Well, this takes us to the end of the program. I hope you do like what you have seen as much as how we like taking it to you. If you do like it, you can leave a comment. If you don't like it, you can also leave a comment so we know what to do next time. So on behalf of the Take the Things team, this is Duke Rick, and I'm saying peace out.